Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to organize your notes and ideas with Notion AI. So what gonna do, you will just give them title of notes, and after you will just tap on this bottom templates button, and from here you will just try to find a notes template. You will also just search for it notes and just give them a search. And if I just use it this free version of template, and I will just tap on it, add again. So template is being added, so you will have to wait for the moment which is left, and when it's ready you will be shown and you will just tap on click it. So after this you will just create your notes on it. So right over here you will just also using like Notion AI can help suggest or refine templates based on your needs. So if I just tap on it, notes dashboard, and I will just remove the dashboard only, and I give them enter, and you will see write something or press space for AI commands. So you have to tab on it, which is top right corner bottom Notion AI, and here you will just give them command on your related to your notes, like write uh, idea on daily life notes, and I will just tab on it enter. So right now I don't have free AI responses. So after purchasing the plan, I will get unlimited AI responses. So after purchase the plan, you will be able to use it easily. So while you will just created and edited your notes, you will be able to use AI suggestions from it. So in this way, you can use your organize your notes and ideas with Notion AI. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.